Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing great. It's another time to make another wonderful design. We are making a balloon arch. Let's get into the video, guys. As usual, or how do I say it? We must use a balloon, right? So we are going to size our balloon. And the reason we are sizing this balloon is because of accuracy. Yes, we need the balloons to be accurate and we're using the balloon sizer. So, inflating our balloons, pairing them up to get a quad, we would be using the lamp stand. Now, this is our quad. Twist them together and then we'll be placing them in our lamp stand. I use this lamp stand for some of my designs and they are really great. Now, we're placing now the 5-inch cord and the 12-inch balloon cord. We're setting them one over the other. The reason the 5-inch balloon comes in between the larger ones is because we don't want them to be in alternate arrangement. We want them to be in a precise arrangement, unlike a garland, which can be in an alternate arrangement. This is done on two separate lamp stands because we need them on both sides of the arch. Now it's time to inflate our transparent balloon. Guys, you need to be really careful with this transparent balloon. As you might understand, it's not exactly a balloon. It's more like a nylon kind of thing. And if you're not careful, it would pop. I used about 3 before I could get this because they kept popping. I don't know, maybe I've had them in the house for a while. I don't know what happened, but it popped. I used about 3 or 4 before I could eventually get one to stay without, popping. So yeah, we'll be using our long, or which we usually call our long balloon. Here are the inflated different colors, and we'll be attaching them to the base of our arranged balloons. Tie them into pairs. So I used a total of 4 pairs, which is 8 in numbers, paired them up together and then twist them together to get the base, which would be placed at the center of our stand. So here it is, guys. We are twisting them together. This is 4. You add another one until you complete 8. I used 8, guys. You can use the number or that you want depending on the design you want to get, but I used a total of 8. You can use more or less. I just wanted, or I preferred this and just the variety of colors, So twisting them together to get the firmness at the base of our balloon. And here is where we would be placing our transparent balloon. So we need this to be firm to the bottom. And then we would be placing our transparent balloon over it. Attach a long balloon to the base of the transparent balloon so that it will be used to attach to the lamp stand. The long balloon can be very useful, yeah? So, yeah, we just twist it around the base of the balloon and it would be firm, guys. Trust me, you can always trust that it would keep it firm. Just make sure that it's twisted around the balloons, at least the 4 sides, and you would get the firmness that you want. So let's go on as we get this beautiful arch done. Now we are placing our inflated long balloons over the transparent balloons and twist it together. All we want is for the balloons to be twisted over the transparent balloon, and you can pick one at a time, twist it over the other just to get it knotted together. So just twist it together one after the other, just like you want, any color, just pick it out and twist it one over the other. Guys, if you are yet to join this decorating family, kindly subscribe to our channel on the notification bell so that you would receive notifications when we post videos. We post one video per week for now. So please click on the notification bell and you receive notifications. Thank you as you subscribe. Now, we'll be cutting the balloon, at least to keep it in place. Because we don't want the remaining part of the balloon popping out. So just cut it, tie it over the remaining balloon and nib it in so that it's not coming out. Be careful, guys, when you're cutting, so that when you cut, you just hold it firmly, twist it around, and it would give the knot such that the rest will not deflate. So here is our outcome, and now we would be building our arch over this. Guys, do you love the outcome already? I really loved working on this design because it was really beautiful. And guys, one thing I want you to know is that once you imagine it, you can achieve it. Because if you can't imagine it, it may not be achievable. But yeah, imagine it and it would be done. Now we'll be building our arch over it. These are our 5-inch balloons attached to the long or 260 balloon, and then used to attach to the base of our transparent balloon. And that's it. We'll build our arch over this. Lovely, yeah? Oh yes, I love it already. I hope you love it as much as we do. Yeah, let's go on, and I'm sure you would enjoy this. So I'll be using another kind of balloon here to achieve our arch. So it's called the needle balloon. It has some part at the bottom of it, and which can be used to attach to any stand or anything that you want to build. So as you might understand, the regular balloons doesn't have anything you can attach at the bottom of it. It's just where you knot it. But in this situation, both sides you can attach at the top and at the bottom. So which helps us. You see, both sides you can attach. And that is what I'm using to attach and building this arch. And yes, red, white. That the 5-inch balloons are the red. And then the needle balloon is attached to it. I just build my arch like that. And then joint it to the other side of our stand. Let's go on, guys. You would see what we were able to achieve with this. So here is the one I built, and now I'll be attaching it to the other side of the stand. Take the end of the balloon and attach it to the stand, arch it, that is, curve it, and that's it. Our arch is built, and this can actually be done or used, I beg your pardon, this can actually be used outdoor or indoor, but probably most better indoor, or when it will be used outdoor, it would not be when it is windy. because since there is no stand holding it, it's called blow over. So if you're using this on the outside, it may be better when it's not windy, or you may want to place it close to a wall or something that it can easily lean on. But on the inside now, it can stand firmly, and you can trust it. Without a stand, it's okay, it's perfect. And this can be used for any occasion, and it came out really, really lovely. This is what we have, guys. I hope you love it. Please, I would like to hear from you. Leave your comments in the comment section. Thank you. This was really lovely. Bye for now, guys. See you in my next video.